Hey class 3, welcome back to your computer class. And this is your last chapter of your first term. And the name of this chapter is Safe Computing. It's all about taking good care of your electronic gadgets that you have, and the processes has been totally mentioned over here. So let's see how we should take care of our machines. First of all, we have to take care of ourselves, because if we don't care of ourselves, if we don't take care of ourselves, we will not be able to take care of anything at all. Okay, if you love yourself, then only you will love others also. That is the main motto of everything. So first, taking care of yourself. Do you know that sitting for long hours at a computer can cause health problems? Look at figure A and figure B. Yes, see, in figure A, the woman is sitting straight on her backbone, means straight to her backbone. And in the figure B, the man is laying on the chair. That is not a proper way to sit. Proper way to sit is shown in figure A. In figure A, Leela is working on the computer in a correct way. She is sitting straight on her seat. Her hands and wrists are straight while typing. Her elbows are at the same level as the keyboard. The monitor is placed slightly below her eye level. Her eyes are not too close to the monitor. In figure B, Rahul is working on his computer. Is he working the correct way? The answer is no. If he sits like this for a long time, he could get backache, pain in his fingers, or eye strain. So, the proper way to sit is shown in the figure A, how Leela is sitting. Next, taking care of parts of the computer. Now, first of all, we went through that how to sit in front of a computer. Now, how to take care of the parts of the computer, we will see through. First is CDs and DVDs. Do not scratch or bend CDs and DVDs. Protect them from heat, dust and moisture. Wait for the CD or DVD drive light to go off before you take out the CD or DVD from the drive. Store them in their cases when not using them. Hold discs by the outer edge or the center hole. So the proper way to hold a CD or a DVD is to just hold it on the center hole, and do not put anything or do not keep it in anywhere that can get a scratch or that can make a scratch on the CD or the DVDs, means on the CDs or the DVDs. Mouse. Do not squeeze the mouse. Click the mouse button slightly. Yeah, be gentle while using the mouse. Keyboard. Use the keyboard with soft hands. Do not keep food or drinks near the keyboard. Keep the keyboard free of dust. Do not keep anything heavy on the keyboard. Yeah, don't just simply give yourself strength to type on the keyboard. It can lose the circuits that is situated inside the keyboard box. It will totally damage the keyboard. So while using keyboard, give the soft touch. Means with your soft touch of your fingertips, use the keyboard. Pen drive. Protect your pen drive from heat, dust and moisture. Always scan your pen drive for viruses. Carry it in a clean, dry case and not in your pockets or hands. Always make sure that you remove or eject your pen drive safely before taking it out of the port. So, pen drives should be scanned whenever you're using it on your computer, should be scanned so that if any viruses are there, it can get detected. And also make sure when you're ejecting it, or when you're taking the pen drives from the computer out, make sure you eject it first from the option that is available on your computer, then only take it off. Otherwise, first do the process and then take it out. Next is taking care of laptops and tablets. Keep the touchscreen clean, wipe them with the soft cloth, charge them completely. To keep the laptops and tablets scratch free, always clean the screen, means the touch screen, and charge it completely. Do not overcharge it, or do not simply charge it while it is 50% there. When the whole battery drained out, then only you should charge. And while charging, do not use mobiles. It is not good. Sharing computer lab resources. Swati and Arun are sharing a computer. They are all well behaved and follow the rules of the computer room. They take turns to work on the computer. They help each other when required. They talk only when needed. They inform the teacher if there is a problem with the computer or its peripherals. Means both these students, suppose they are two students, Swati and Arun. They are into their school's computer lab. So when they work on the computer, they make sure by themselves that each of them will get equal chances to use the computer at a time. So they need not to fight over the turn. And whenever the one needs help, the other helps him or her out. And if there any problem arises on the computer, they immediately call the teacher of computer to solve that problem. Okay. Do you know viruses are programs which damage the hardware and software of a computer? Yes, that is why an antivirus should be installed into your computers and phones or smartphones, laptops, whatever gadgets you have. So yes, this is a quite common chapter. It's easy one. So do go through the video and let me know if you get stuck in somewhere. I'll help you out. And in the next class, I will give you the exercises of this chapter. Till then, take care. Be safe.